Okay, participants, welcome once again. Welcome to another session. Today, I want to discuss about the different conditions or mandatory conditions. Mandatory conditions. Those conditions are mandatory. Today, I want to discuss about those mandatory conditions or assumptions related with the simple regression analysis. As we know, to conduct the simple regression analysis using SPSS software, we need two variables. Just a minute, I may share my SPSS platform to you. Share. Okay. Then, what is the first condition? The first condition, your dependent variable should be measured using the interval scale or ratio scale. That means your dependent variable should be continuous. Scale. In SPSS, it is known as scale. First condition, your dependent variable should be measured using scale. You can see scale. First variable in the Austrian politics, that is our independent variable. Marks is the dependent variable. You can see here the relevant measure scale. First condition, dependent variable should be continuous. Next one, your independent variable should be measured using either interval scale or ratio scale. In SPSS, it is known as scale. You can see marks is the dependent variable. Marks, you can see scale. Likewise, Indo-Austrian politics is the independent variable. That variable also measured using scale measurement. That means first condition satisfied, second condition satisfied. Then third condition, linear relationship. There should be a linear relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable. In case of correlation, we have understand that to check the linear relationship between dependent variable and independent variable, the researcher has to create a scatter plot using SPSS. The researcher has another option. The researcher can use Excel, no problem. But the important one is there should be a linear relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable. Please create a scatter plot and inspect the scatter plot. The point should lie on a straight line, either from left bottom to right top or from left top to right bottom. That is known as linear relationship. Third condition, there should be a linear relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable. How can the researcher check the linearity? Please create a scatter plot and visually check the scatter plot. That is a solution. Then next one, no significant outliers. Yesterday, in case of correlation, we have already understand that how can we check the odd one out? How can we check about the significant outlier? The same method researcher can apply the same method here, no problem. Fourth condition, no significant outlier. There should be no significant outliers. The next one, fifth condition. In total, 7 conditions. Today, I want to discuss about only 5 conditions. The remaining 2 conditions we may discuss about on tomorrow. Okay. The fifth condition, independence of observation. I may repeat the lines. I may repeat the words again, once again. Independence of observations. How can the researcher check independence of observation? No problem. A method available in SPSS that is known as Durbin-Watson statistic. There is a method available in SPSS platform that is known as Durbin-Watson statistics. Please wait. You can see my data view. First variable, industry and politics, independent variable, marks, dependent variable. Then how can we check Dalbin-Watson statistic? No problem. Please take analyze. Please take analyze and regression. Okay, regression. Then linear. Then please show the variable. Dependent. Marx is the dependent. Industry and politics is independent. Then statistics. There are so many menus available, but we have industry only in one item. Our industry lies on one item. That is Dalbin-Watson. Please tick on it. Tick Dalbin-Watson. Okay. Continue. Okay. Then, okay. Then SPS produce output. I may show the output screen to you. Stop share. Share output. Please see the Dalbin-Watson measurement. You can see 1.120. No problem. 1.120. Okay, there's a problem. The standard value related with the Dalbin-Watson is 2. If the Dalbin-Watson statistic is 2, no problem. There is independent observation, but if the value lies between minus 1.5, so if the value lies between 1.5 to 2.5, we can accept the excellent most significant value 2. If the Dalbin-Watson statistic value is 2, okay, excellent value. Still, we may take if the value lies between 1.5 to 2.5, no problem. But here the value is only 1.120. That means the fourth condition is not satisfied. That means the fourth condition is not satisfied. There is a problem of autocorrelation. It is known as autocorrelation. If the value is 2 or any value near to 2, no problem, we may take it. There is no autocorrelation, but here the value is 1.120. Then there is a problem. You cannot, researcher cannot accept it. There is a problem of autocorrelation. The fifth condition means independence observation. That condition is not satisfied. Independence observation, the fifth condition, fifth mandatory condition is not satisfied. Okay. Thank you. Stop share.